This is how to speed up or slow down your video clips in Sony Vegas 17 or 18 Pro. So you're going to find your video clip. I'm just going to cut out a segment right here, and this is the segment we're going to use. Actually, let me cut out a segment where he's actually talking so we can kind of see. Okay, he's talking right here. Let's cut out this segment. We'll delete that clip just like I showed in one of the past tutorials. And you're going to hold down the key on your keyboard that says CTRL, or also known as Control. You're going to hold that down and hold this and drag it either way. If you drag it to be a longer video, it's going to be slowed down. So as you can see, that's slowed down. You can slow this down all the way up to 25%. And then if you bring it in to make it a shorter video, you can speed it up all the way up to 400%. Now that's sped up. And you can see this little percentage sign right here at the bottom. And if you want to go back to 0 or go back to normal, you make it just 100%, and boom. And to know that you're doing this correctly, when you do so, you will see these little lines, and the longer lines means it's being slowed down, and the shorter wavelength lines means it's being sped up. So let's bring it back to 100%. And boom.